Dave here. How are you? I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to turn a golf buggy into something that can carry a big bin for you. Now, not everyone has a golf buggy, I get that, but on this property, the golf buggy is brilliant because it has very good gradability, which means it can climb steep, it can go over grass, everything, and we're on a hectare here. This electric buggy is time saving and back saving. Now, when I first got it, and I bought it secondhand, when I first got it, this strap here, which holds all of the golf clubs and their bag in the back here, it's designed to have two. It used to go back through here and around and out here, so you could clip on a golf bag both sides, just like that. I took out the two screws here, pulled this all the way back out, and now I have this large area here, and it's just simply a matter, pop the big bin there, and it'll do both sizes. It'll do all the bigger big bins, and I just slide this into here, come around the other side, pull it tight, strap it on, finished. How easy is that? I don't have to tow it. It rides on the back here. I can put a fair weight on here because golf bags normally weigh a lot. Anyway, let me know what you think. This is a handy little tip. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm full of these ideas. Just keep on coming back. See you next time.